Welcome back to Everett Barbecue. I'm Joe Everett, and today we're doing another collab. Yeah, we're doing another one. A hot dog collab? It's not just a hot dog collab, this is about bringing back summer, even though it's spring. Well, it's about giving hot dogs their due. It's about having fun with your family, and it's about ketchup being cool. Hashtag bring on summer 2021. Our hot dog's gonna have ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, onions. I got to have my cabbage, son, and my chips. Not just a bun. We're wrapping that glizzy, rolling it up like a Backwoods BBQ Blunt Boy. This here collab is one started by Mr. Homeowner Cooking and DIY and Keith Bettag, among other YouTubers. As always, I'll have all their videos posted in the description below, but you should definitely give these guys a follow. Up here in the link. Check them out, they're my barbecue fam. You can also check out all their videos if you just search hashtag bring on summer 2021. You can find mine with 2021 Glizzy. All right, we're cooking with Kingsford for this cook, and I'm gonna drop quite a few chunks of hickory in the bottom pan, hoping that they catch. Hey, found some more. Going with some Nathan's Jumbos. Just had a meatloaf on the old Chazz master belt here, so we're gonna go straight up on the old Grate. Glizzies across the board. Probably gonna do 5 minutes aside and get them glizzies nice and toasty. Been about 5 more minutes. Probably needing to be flipped here. Hello. Don't go burning on me yet, Nathan. All she wrote for the doggies. Oh yeah. That's how those doggies turned out. But we're not done yet. Oh no. Do up the crushed potato chips, which are a staple. I'm gonna smear it all over the bed of the dough. You know how we like to stack that cabbage. Can't do it without the onions. And not a lot of onions. The glizzy. Oh yeah. These 3 monstrosities are going in for 10 minutes aside at 425.
Well, you don't know where he lives or anything either. Oh, wait a minute now. Now here's my question to you. All right.
What? Alright. Okay, this is how the glizzies turned out. Hellman's to cap off what is a good looking. Oh yeah. Get some of that, Keith. We went with that French's. And you guys know ketchup is cool. I give you the Venezuelan glizzy in all its luster and glory. Oh, you want the taste test, do you? You know it's money. I even let it rest a whole 2 minutes. I would advise a 5-minute rest on that. Whew. I shouldn't have to remind you ketchup is cool. Oh, you know ketchup's cool. Actually, ketchup is literally cool. It will help cool this fire down. I think cutting those slots open to let that breathe was pretty crucial. Again, you can cut those in, give it the, I don't know, kind of baguette look, but the dog's gonna keep it together. Not 100% healthy, but 100% Venezuelan, man. The potato chips, the cabbage, the onion, mustard, mayo, ketchup. It's an experience. You can do it with a regular bun. Of course, you ain't got to roll it up in pizza crust like I did, but if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. Hopefully for this Hotdog Collab, we're bringing on summer 2021 in style with a Venezuelan glizzy. I thought of it first. I thought of it first. Thanks so much for watching this Hotdog Collab, and thanks for watching all of my comrades' videos at #BringOnSummer2021. If you want any more of my videos or other barbecue experiments, click that notification bell, hit subscribe, join my tribe, jump in the backyard, hang with my gang, and get to cooking with us. #BringSummerBack. What is it, Bring On Summer? And I need my chips. 2021 Glizzy. Tough.